Let's talk about bada's system namespace. Bada's system namespace provides the system time, system info, runtime info, setting info, battery, alarm, and vibrator classes. All of them are used to get system information, except for the alarm and vibrator classes. The system time class can be used to get the current system time. It returns the current time in UTC, standard, or wall time. The system info class can be used to get various types of system information. If the getValuesN function is called with a key, the corresponding value is returned. The representative keys are phone number, IME, screen height, platform version, network type, camera count, and so on. Using the runtime info class, you can get information related to the runtime. For example, you can get the current available memory size, the total system memory, and the available storage space. In addition, you can get the current battery level and whether the battery is being charged or not. Using the setting info class, you can see whether the current setting is silent mode, whether the GPS is on, the selected language, and the selected country in the system settings. Using the battery class, you can get the current battery level as a percentage and whether the battery is being charged. The alarm class contains several non-static functions. The alarm class provides functions to register or unregister an alarm. The alarm class also provides get functions to get the alarm parameters, set functions to set the parameters, and the cancel function to cancel an alarm. If the specified time is reached, the onAlarmExpired function of the iAlarm event listener is called. Finally, the vibrator class is a non-static class that can be used to control the vibrator. The vibrator class provides functions to implement a single shot and functions to implement a repeating shot. In the case of a single shot, you can activate the vibrator by specifying the vibration duration and the level. In the case of a repeating shot, you can activate the vibrator by specifying the length of time the vibrator should be on and off, as well as the number of repetitions and the level. To stop the vibrator while it is operating, you can use the stop function. Bada also provides debugging functions. First, the applog function is provided. Applog is classified into applog_debug, applog_exception, and applog depending on the log type. You can use them in the same way as you use the printf function. To handle exceptions in Bada, you can use the try-catch syntax. As you can see, try-catch is implemented by the conventional try-catch syntax followed by the condition, the return value, and the error message display. The try-catch command will execute the code below. Let's sum up this lecture. Using the Bada's I/O namespace, you can read or write data saved in a file such as the directory, file, database, and registry. Using the classes and the functions of the OSP system namespace, you can get the system information and use the system functions. And finally, Bada provides some macros and functions for debugging.